Hey everyone, thank you for watching my channel. In this particular video, we will discuss about GST. What do we mean by GST? Features of GST. So let's see. GST stands for Goods and Services Taxes. Goods and Services Tax. Before coming near to GST, first we will understand what does it mean? What does tax mean? Tax means a compulsory payment or a financial charge by the government for the well-being of public or society. This is a financial charge by the government for the well-being of public services. Services means government is preparing road for us, education, then for our wealth also hospitals. By charging tax from the people, government is creating fund, and from that fund government is investing money for the well-being of public, like he's making roads for our education, also he's giving some funds, then he's also establishing hospitals. There are two types of tax. First one is DT, the second one is IDT. DT stands for direct tax, IDT stands for indirect tax. So, what is the meaning of direct tax? Which is directly payable to the government. Directly payable to the government. Or what do you mean by indirect tax? Simple, which is indirectly payable to the government. Which is indirectly payable to the government. Indirectly payable to the government. So, and it is charged it is charged on income earned by the person. In case of ITT, it is charged on goods and services. It is charged on goods and services. If we will say about examples of DT is, as you all know, income tax, and the example of IDT is GST and custom laws. GST and custom laws. If we will specifically talk about DT, like direct tax, there is a certain amount of money. If your income will touch to that limit, then you have to pay a certain rate of your income to the government. Already I told you that direct tax charged on income earned by the person. As you read in income tax, heads of incomes, it can be from salary if you are an employee, it can be from house property, capital gain, PGBP, then from other sources. Hope this is clear to you. Let's understand the concept of indirect tax. One example is there. Through this example we will get to know what is the meaning of indirect tax. One merchant was there. He's the merchant. One merchant went to a kingdom, and he said to the king of that kingdom, is the king. He said to the king that I want to sell clothes here in your kingdom. So the king said yes, but in return, the king wanted some gift, some gifts from the merchant, from the merchant. That this merchant took 10 bags of clothes. 10 bags of clothes. Each bag contains 10 bags of clothes, rupees 10,000. So each bag contained, each bag contained how much? 10,000 divided by 10 equal to 1,000 rupees. Each bag contains for each bag. So this merchant gave two bags to the king. Merchant gave two bags to the king. How much the price of two bags? The price of two bags is 2,000 to 2,000 rupees. Then now in the hands of merchant, how many bags remains? 8 bags remain remain in the hands of merchant. So how much the cost of 8 bags? 8,000 rupees. So how much he gave to the king plus 2 bags? How much cost? 2,000 rupees. He gave 2,000 rupees of clothes to the king. So why he came to the kingdom for doing business? And if he will give this much of rupee to the king, then he will suffer loss. So what he will do? He will add these things like remaining 8 bags of clothes like costing, and then 2 bags. Then how much the cost it will be? 10,000 rupees. Then he has his own profit margin. Suppose profit is 4,000 rupees. So 14,000 rupees. So from whom this the merchant will take 14,000 rupees? From the consumer. Means the people from that particular kingdom. They will pay this much of on money for the remaining 8 bags, and they will take clothes and they will give 14,000 of rupees. Like which money he contributed for his business, he will collect it from the consumer. You are the consumer, you will buy those bags by paying 14,000 rupees to the merchant, and it's a indirect way. Consumers pay this amount to the king. Indirectly we gave this extra money to our to our king. Indirectly he took this extra money, extra 2 bags money, extra money from us, from the consumer, and he gave to the king. So indirectly we paid this 2,000 rupees to our king. Just assume that a king is our government and the merchant is a businessman and we are the ultimate consumer. We have to pay extra amount as a sales tax to the businessman. Then the businessman will give tax upon the particular product to the government. So hope GST, the concept of GST, the meaning of GST is clear to you. So in next video we will see in a deep that the features of GST, and what is the definition of GST. All those things we will discuss in our next video. So if you have any query regarding GST concept in today's class, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you guys.